Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just giving you an update on IIPR. I came across an article and thought it was kind of interesting. I've pointed this stock out to you before. It's actually a REIT in the MJ field, and it's definitely one to watch if you're out there watching some of the MJ stocks. This one even gives a dividend. It's one of the safer plays, and I consider it a growth stock, and I'll show you why here eventually. But as you can see, rose 19% in December. Innovative Industrial continues to execute well despite the CV headwinds. Shares of the MJ industry-focused landlord IIPR rose 19% in December, according to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence. That's a pretty heady gain for a 1 month span, but it wasn't actually all that surprising since the REIT, which was up more than 141% in 2020. The backstory here is that the MJ industry continues to expand as more and more states move towards legalizing. Innovative is, at its core, a landlord owning grow houses and other MJ-related properties, but that's only half of the picture, since what it often provides its tenants is access to capital. Using sale-leaseback transactions, Innovative allows companies to get property off of their balance sheets, freeing up cash to be used to pay down debt and to invest in growth initiatives. So very interesting, and you can see why this is going up and why it kind of helps the industry as a whole, since they can't get backing from banks. That kind of helps free up some cash, and just as it said, they kind of act as the landlord. Feel free to pause and read the rest of the article there. I've showed you this stock before. I wish I had more of it. I bought it a long time ago. You can see my cost basis here, and you can just kind of see what it's done over the last year. And it was $98 and dipped down to about 46, so that's been an excellent buying opportunity. You can see it's up, we'll just call it 140% for the year. Again, I only have one share. It was just kind of a trial run when I was back buying a lot of the MJ stocks, but you can see the dividend here is pending, and the dividend keeps going up. It's got great ratings, 86%, and as you can see, it's got what I call juicy dividends. It keeps increasing. As you can see, $1, and it gets paid quarterly, $1.06. So you can see even right after the pandemic is still getting income off of this one. So this one, who knows where it's going to stop. It'll just continue to grow, and as you can see, all the green down here on Canopy, Kronos, Afria, and this is another ETF that I have that I'll do a follow-up on later. But these are all up. This one I bought in a different account, I want to say back in August, for $10 and change. So they've all ran up. So just wanted to bring this one again to your attention. If you don't have this one, if you're looking into the MJ field, I would definitely consider this one. Again, I don't give trading advice, legal advice, tax advice. It's up to do your own due diligence and check it out for yourself. I'm just throwing this out there and giving you some ideas. So again, this one's a real estate trust which engages in the acquisition, ownership, and management of industrial properties. Operates through the following geographical segments: Arizona, California, Colorado, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, and on and on. And once more states become legalized, if that's the case, this one's just going to keep going up. I mean, I can easily see this the way it's been. It was kind of all over the place today, but as well as the last week, but I can see this easily being a $200 stock, especially if things go on the route of being legalized. I would say at least by May or sooner, but that's just projecting and being optimistic about this one, but just throwing it out there so you can see the opportunity for yourself in this one as what it's done for me. So um, again, that's about it on this one. Just wanted to consider and wanted to bring it to your attention. There's people out there watching the MJ field, so I'll be doing some more of those videos here in the days to come, and possibly purchasing some more, but they're starting to go up, so need to get in them now if that's what I'm thinking. But again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. You can figure that out on your own, and feel free to leave comments if you have this one. It's one of my favorites, and like I showed you, it does give a dividend. So if you haven't hit that like button, show that like button a little love. If you don't want to show it some love, go ahead and step on it, kick it around, drop kick it, and also go ahead and subscribe. Got a couple new subscribers yet today. I'm shooting for 125 by the end of the week, so need to be subscribing. So I know there's people out there listening who haven't subscribed, and that would help me out a lot. So again, just bringing IIPR to your attention, and I'm sure we'll be talking about this one at a later time. So happy investing, happy trading, stay green. Cheers.